Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This week's video, well, is a combination of things. I like to reuse things. I hate to waste anything. And all that packaging, all the Amazon deliveries and so forth. And also storage. I like to make use of small areas. I have a very small condo and I try not to let anything go unnoticed. I wrap numerous items and put them to, I think, good use. I hope it gives you some ideas. You can use any size cord. You can use all different types. Be creative. Shoelaces, rope, jute, anything that appeals to you. Here we go. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you put it to good use. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. See you next week.